Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Alchemy. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Alchemy has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern. And this was my last video that I shared almost 3 days ago with you. And now if we move to the live 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that after the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern, the price line is pumped very well. And before that, it was also struggling to break out this uptrend line resistance as well. You can see that for the past several weeks and months, the price and was again and again getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance. We got rejection here. And previously, this resistance was working as a long-term support, like we had a bounce here, another bounce here, and several touch points here as well. And now finally we have broken out this resistance because after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. And right now, Alchemy is breaking out this long-term resistance of 3.3 cents. That was recently working as a resistance here. And before that, it has been breaking as a very strong support here back in the month of January 2022. And again, after this breakout, it can be flipped into a long-term support, the price line of Alchemy. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this rising channel, an up channel that Alchemy has recently formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. Here we have the resistance of this newly formed up channel. And this is the uptrend line support for this channel. You can see that since after 17th of November 2024, the price line is moving inside this channel. And we got rejection here, bounce here, rejection. Then we had another bounce here and stabilizations here. And now the price line after this rejection still moving very close to the resistance of this channel. And in today's video, we will also analyze this channel as well. Before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for ZK, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup, I shared on 15th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Alchemy. And here on this 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that recently Alchemy has formed this up channel. We have few touch points here at the support, almost 4 or 5 touch points here. Then we had another touch point here. Then we had another bounce here and several rejections by the resistance as well. And now recently you can see that the price line is once again getting rejected by the resistance of this channel. For example, if this time the price line of Alchemy will again test the support, then it can test the support somewhere here, approximately at 3.3 cents. And over there, we have already a quite long-term support that was previously working at the resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for a few weeks, it has been working at the resistance, this 3.3 cents level. And before that, it has been working as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line. So we have a crisscross of 2 support levels here. One is the support of this up channel. Another one will be this long-term support of 3.3 cents. For example, if the price then breaks down the support, then we can expect a big drop, at least up to this support line. That is, in fact, the previous uptrend line support, a quite long-term uptrend line support. And for example, if the price then will also break down this uptrend line support as well, then the technical target to the downside for this channel is here at the bottom of the channel, and the price then can hit that target that will be approximately at 2 cents. However, it will be really very difficult for the price then to break down this uptrend line support on the 7 days time frame chart. This is quite a long-term uptrend line support. Now, if the price then breaks out the resistance of the channel, then in case of breaking out, the technical target will be here. That will be approximately at 5.2 cents. That is, by the way, slightly higher than the target for the breakout from this wedge. If we move back here on the 7 days time frame chart once again, here we can see that the technical target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 4.5 cents. And the target for the channel's breakout will be here at 5.2 cents. That is slightly higher than the target for the breakout from this wedge, and if the price then reaches there at 5.2 cents to hit the target for the breakout from this channel, then it can make a powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance of 5 cents as well. That is a quite long-term resistance that was previously breaking as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here as well. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that Alchemy has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. In the month of January 2023, we broke it out, where so far the price then did not hit the target for the breakout from this previous and bigger falling wedge pattern. That technical target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.